This is the Finite Magnetic Stand Case for iPad 10th generations. Some great features of this iPad cover are it has magnetic sleep to wake. When you open it, it wakes up. When you close it, it goes to sleep. It has a pencil holder. This part of the case is very soft to protect your screen. To make it stand, you take this cover and you flip it to the back and turn it this way. And you take this stand out and stick it into one of the grooves. There's 6 different grooves for different angles, and the grooves are magnetic, so it stays. It doesn't flop away when you pick it up to move it around. All the cutouts are precision cut around for the iPad 10th generation, and everything is accessible and the buttons work perfectly. The magnet is so strong that it will stay on a refrigerator or any other horizontal metal surface also. So this is another great use for this case. I would highly recommend it if you need a case for an iPad 10th generation.